Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing super soft, delicious, juicy and melting motichur laddu without laddu ladle, without deep frying and no oil at all, no soda, no milk, no koya, no suji. This is super tasty and easy and simple without any janjat. And believe me, this will be your most favorite laddu. Moreover, these laddus taste better than the original motichur laddus. As we are not deep frying and no oil at all, these are very healthy as well with all healthy substitutions. To start with our recipe, measure 1 cup of chickpea or chana dal and wash this thoroughly for about 2 times and then soak this for about 4 to 5 hours. After 4 hours, our chickpea or chana dal is well soaked. So now drain all the water and grind this into coarse paste in 2 batches. Here I am grinding this in 2 batches. Here we don't have to add any water because this chana dal is well soaked and that is enough. Here you can see this chana dal is well grinded and the texture is also very coarse, and this should be the correct consistency of the batter. Once the entire batter is grinded, take a pan and add 1 teaspoon of ghee, and here I have chopped cashews and chopped pistachios. Now saute and allow them to fry on low flame until they are golden brown in color. Here you can see this cashews and pistachios are well fried, so transfer them to a separate bowl. Now in the same pan, add about 1 tablespoon of ghee and coarsely ground chana dal batter. Allow this chana dal batter to fry on low to medium flame and keep sauteing continuously so that it is not burnt. Here you can see this is sticking to the pan initially as I used a cast iron pan, but if you are using a non-stick pan, it will not stick, but for a cast iron pan it is normal to stick like this. So scrape with a spatula and keep sauteing continuously so that it is not burnt. Make sure to cook this chana dal only on low to medium flame and with continuous stirrings. As we are not using oil and deep frying, we just added 1 tablespoon of ghee. In place of ghee, you may also use melted butter, but here I used ghee because taste of the ghee will give added flavor to our laddu. This entire process of frying chana dal on a low to medium flame may take place for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here you can see after 15 minutes this chana dal is well fried and this is also very dry. It is not sticking and it is leaving the pan, and also the semi-solid chana dal batter is now turned into powder kind of. At this stage, as the chana dal is well fried in ghee, this leaves a very good fragrance and aroma, and now switch off the flame and allow this to cool. Now in the same pan, add about 1 cup of sugar. Here I am using palm sugar. Palm sugar contains less glucose and a lower glycemic index than normal sugar or honey or any sweetness. Glycemic index of palm sugar is 35 compared to honey at 55 and normal sugar at 68. Now add 2/3 cups of water and allow this to cook on low to medium flame. Keep stirring continuously until the sugar melts and dissolves, otherwise the sugar will be burned. Once the palm sugar is completely dissolved in water, now allow this to cook on low flame, and meanwhile now take a mixie jar and add 3 cardamom or ilachi and grind this. Here this ilachi or cardamom is grinded. To this I am adding 1 portion of this fried chana dal. Here I am grinding this chana dal in 3 portions. Just pulse 2 to 3 times into coarse powder. Do not over blend. Here you can see the texture. This is not over grinded. Now transfer this to a separate plate and grind the remaining chana dal in 2 batches. Here in this recipe I used palm sugar, but if you don't have palm sugar, you can also use normal sugar. And also I used just 1 tablespoon of ghee to fry this entire chana dal batter, but if you want more, you may add 1 more tablespoon. By this time this sugar syrup is also well cooked. So here I am adding this homemade organic food color. If anyone wants to know how to make this homemade food colors, I am leaving a link in the description box. You may check it there. And adding food color is completely optional. Here you can see just 1 string consistency is formed. So reduce the flame completely and add fried coarse powder of chana dal and give it a good mix and allow this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on completely low flame. Otherwise this fried chana dal will not absorb the sugar syrup and this will not be soft. Now add this pre-fried cashew and pistachios and give a good mix. Here after 5 minutes this sugar syrup is completely absorbed by the fried chana dal, and now at this stage it is ready to switch off the flame and transfer to a separate bowl and allow this to cool. Adding food color is completely optional. Here I added to give a store-bought look. Moreover, I used homemade organic food colors from natural ingredients. If anyone wants to know how to make this homemade organic food colors, you may check the description box. Here our laddu mixture is well cooled. So grease your hands with a little amount of ghee and start making laddus. So friends, try making this super soft, delicious, juicy and melting motichur laddus, and do let me know in the comment section how you liked about them. Here you can see how soft and juicy they are. If you like this recipe and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.